Asanda Emmanuel Scara Ngobese, the Black Jesus. Why did his career and life end so sadly at the age of 29? Scara Ngobese embodied the soul and the spirit of Mzansi football. Speaking in March 2005 at the height of his career, Scara revealed that his late father impacted his football in every single match he played. Scara said, "My father was shot dead in 2004. I was only 14 years old. It was difficult to accept. So every time I played, I would do it for him. He could not see me, but I knew he was with me spiritually." Scara was not just about the showboating, the Tsamayas and the Vala. He could be direct with diagonal crossballs, through balls, and powerful shots at goal. Scara was born in Katlehong Township, 28 kilometers outside Johannesburg. After shining in Kasi tournaments, Scara joined the Kaizer Chiefs Academy at Naturena. With a little hope of making Kaizer Chiefs' first team, Scara moved to Moroka Swallows to chase his professional football career. At the age of 19, he realized his dream of playing professionally in the colors of Moroka Swallows. Scara later played for the South Africa under-20 national team at the COSAFA tournament in 2000. He scored 3 goals in 5 games alongside players like Jabu Pule and Benedict Vilakazi. What is a football career without challenges? Scara moved to Hellenic, then to Tembisa Classic, then to Premier United, before going to Zulu Royals. It was where he blossomed and was identified by the mighty Kaizer Chiefs. Speaking after joining Kaizer Chiefs in July 2004, Scara said, "I had one thing in mind. In fact, I was not sure which big team I was going to play for, but I knew that I was going to play for a big team in South Africa. It just happened to be Kaizer Chiefs, where everything started for me." Scara went on to win the league title alongside top players like John Mushweu, Ger Skarbeck, and captain Patrick Mabedi, while Itumeleng Khune was still a young kid on the bench. Then health tragedy struck. Between 2007 and 2008, Asanda Ngobese started to get sick from tuberculosis, also known as TB. He joined Tanda's Royal Zulu, but did not play a single match due to sickness. In 2009, Scara joined United FC in the National First Division. Due to bad health, Scara only played 4 games before sadly passing away in May 2010. TB took Scara's life 3 weeks before the 2010 FIFA World Cup in South Africa. May your soul rest in peace, Scara. We will never forget you. The Black Jesus.